For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Former Team India captain Mohammad Azharuddin is back in the limelight. He has been elected as president of the Hyderabad Cricket Association. For this, Azhar had to fight a long and hard legal battle with BCCI. Mohammad Azharuddin was banned on the charges of match fixing by the BCCI in December 2000. The former captain was found guilty of match fixing in BCCI appointed probe committee. Match fixing scandal that had rocked the cricket world like never before had come to light after the confession of the Hansie Cronje. Former South African player had allegedly named Azharuddin as one of the partners in the crime, but Azhar denied it. Post Cronje's confession, BCCI formed a special inquiry committee to probe on alleged match fixing. After questioning various stakeholders and Azharuddin, K. Madhavan had concluded that Azharuddin was guilty in his report. According to the extraction of the K. Madhavan report, Azhar took money from bookies, punters to fix cricket matches.
My final opinion regarding the role of Azhar in this regard is he had close contacts and nexus with bookies, punters like M.K. Gupta, Ajay Gupta, Gyan Gupta and Amish Gupta and several others, and was involved in match fixing. He is guilty of unbecoming conduct and misconduct as a national level player in maintaining such frequent contacts with bookies and punters. In his case, the misconduct is aggravated as he was a captain of the Indian team for long and let down the country and the cricket-loving public in a despicable manner.
Soon after the ban by the BCCI, Azhar challenged it in the city civil court in Hyderabad, but it upheld the ban. Then Risti batsman moved the Andhra Pradesh High Court. After hearing both sides, Andhra Pradesh High Court has declared a life ban on the former skipper was illegal. The division bench of the High Court has quashed the civil court order and BCCI imposition on Azhar. Justice G. Krishna Mohan Reddy, while agreeing with his fellow judges' detailed judgment, observed in his short judgment that
this case is one best example of a player wriggling out of a serious allegations of match fixing, betting, etc. made against him mainly because of the inaction of the board to take appropriate action as per the procedure established by law.
according to the existing Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code, there is no particular law or section to deal with match-fixing allegations. Probing agencies have just randomly applied IPC and CRPC to probe the case. This is one of the main reasons to lift the ban on Azhar. To make things strange enough, BCCI administration felt it deemed to be a fit case for appeal in Supreme Court. Even more strangely, after the prolonged battle, Azharuddin didn't pursue any legal action against the BCCI for any damages. Post setting aside the ban, Azhar is back to prominence. He is president of Hyderabad Cricket Association now.